Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make ube waffles. These are crispy on the outside, cakey on the inside, with all of that delicious ube flavor.
These are one of our favorite things to make on the weekend and are a perfect way to kick off a lazy Saturday or Sunday.
That's right. And when we're feeling extra decadent, we like to top our ube waffles with coconut ube whipped cream.
To start, we're going to make our ube whipped cream topping. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add in 2 cups of very cold heavy cream and half a cup of cold coconut cream, separated from a 13.5 ounce can of full-fat coconut milk. With the whisk attachment, beat this on medium-high speed until the mixture increases in volume, about a 50% increase in volume. Stop the mixer and add in 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ube extract. Continue beating on medium-high speed until the mixture forms stiff peaks, like this. Leave this whipped cream in the fridge until you're ready to serve.
Now we're going to make our ube waffles. This batter comes together really quickly and we'll be having breakfast in no time. Take a medium-sized mixing bowl, add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk together your dry ingredients and set these aside. In a large mixing bowl, add in half a cup of ube halaya, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of ube extract, 1 cup of coconut milk from the 13.5 ounce can of full-fat coconut milk we used earlier, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Mix everything together until your wet ingredients are smooth, like this. Slowly add in the flour mixture into our wet ingredients and stir together just until combined.
We want our waffles to be crispy on the outside and cakey on the inside, so we recommend using a wire cooling rack. Now we're ready to make our waffles.
That's right. Preheat your waffle maker based on the manufacturer's instructions. We like crisper waffles, so we're increasing the browning control to the highest level, which is a number 5 on our waffle maker. Ours also has a green indicator light when it's preheated and ready to use. Lightly spray your waffle iron with a non-stick cooking spray. Using a half cup, scoop up half a cup of batter per waffle for evenly filled waffles. Cook the waffles according to your manufacturer's instructions. You can usually tell when the waffles are almost done when the steam coming from the waffle maker starts to dissipate. Once the waffle is done, open the waffle iron and carefully remove the waffle using a fork or tongs. Place your finished waffle on a wire cooling rack as you make the next batch. Your newly cooked waffles will release steam, so placing your finished waffle on a plate will result in them becoming soggy.
Nobody wants a soggy waffle.
Make sure that your waffle irons heat up between waffles. You want the waffle iron to be hot so your waffles crisp up. Continue making waffles in the same way until you've used up all the batter.
This recipe makes about 5 to 6 waffles depending on the size of your waffle maker. If you have extra waffles, just place them in a plastic bag and freeze them, and they should keep in the freezer for about a month or 2. Then, when you're ready to serve, just take them out, put them in a toaster oven, and they'll be crispy and delicious.
To serve, place some fresh cut mangoes on top and a dollop of our homemade coconut ube whipped cream. And there it is. Crispy on the outside and cakey on the inside, ube waffles with coconut ube whipped cream. Ang sarap.
Yum!
These waffles are so crispy and delicious.
And I love all the ube flavor from the waffles and the whipped cream. This is the perfect way to start the day.
Thank you all so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make these ube waffles. Send us pictures of your creations on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com. Maraming salamat!